Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. Welcome to Queen's Yummies Paradise. If this is your first time, thank you. I hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you always get notified for new recipes. And to my lovely subscribers, I love you. So guys, this yummies food is one you wouldn't want to miss. So guys, let's jump right into it, okay? Here I have onion, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'll go ahead and roughly chop that, okay? So in a pan, I'm going to add in some oil, and this oil is flavored, okay? And here I have my thyme. I'm also going in with my roughly blended onion, garlic, and pepper, okay? So give that a stir. Go ahead and fry that for about 1 minute. And add in some curry into this. Okay, stir that as well. I'm adding in some biryani spice. And into this, I'm going to add in some chicken seasoning as well. So give that a stir and fry that for 2 minutes, okay? And then go in with any tomato of your sauce, of your choice, okay? Okay, guys, go in with any tomato of your choice. And here I'm using my basil pasta tomato sauce, okay? Okay, go ahead, fry that, keep frying. And into this, I will add in 1 can of coconut milk. Yes, guys, we're making coconut rice, okay? Add in some salt. I stir that, and I already have my rice parboiled, okay, for about 10 minutes. And I'm going in with the rice like so. Okay, give that a mix. And you're going to cover this until it's cooked. And guys, this water is enough to cook this rice, okay? We don't need to add in any more water because the rice is already parboiled. So guys, here I have some gizzard as well, washed and cleaned. I'm going in with some garlic and pepper and onion, okay? Adding some curry powder, some beef cubes, thyme, and salt, okay? So give that a stir. And you're going to add in just about half cup of water into this, just a little water, okay? It goes a long way to cook this meat, okay? And this is the amount of water I'm adding. As you can see, it's just little. So we're going to allow this to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So here I have some ripe plantains. I'm going to go ahead and dice this into cubes. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We have beautiful recipes for you, and this place is a non-toxic area, so you'll be welcome to join and learn a lot from this channel, okay? And please do well to share my videos as well. So guys, this is the rice. It's completely cooked. You can see how yummy this looks, okay? And you can see the texture of this rice is so beautiful, guys. I tell you, this was so good. Trust me, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and set this rice aside and continue with the rest of the cooking. So my meat is well parboiled the way I want it. So I'm adding in a little of my flavored oil. I'm gonna add in some vegetable oil into this as well. Allow this to get heat a little, and we're gonna fry the plantains. So once the plantain is fried like so, go ahead and take that out. And then we're gonna fry the gizzard as well. And guys, this gizzard, we're not gonna fry it completely. Okay, you're gonna see what I mean. So continue to fry, cover that for about 2 minutes extra. Once you have your gizzard like so, as you can see, it's not completely fried. So I'm going in with my pepper blend mixture. Give that a toss, add in some canned chopped tomatoes. And after this, you're gonna add in seasoning of your choice. Okay, I'm going in with curry seasoning, thyme, and chicken powder. Okay, so we're gonna cover this to fry until the water is completely dried out. So this is gonna take about 10 minutes. And guys, after 10 minutes, this is what we have here. Okay, and now you can tell that gizzard is packed with flavor. Okay, and adding that plantain, okay, into that. Guys, doesn't this look so yummy? Yes, it is. Okay, guys, so we're done already. We're gonna add in our last ingredients, and that is spring onion. Okay, to add that in to look pretty. Okay, we're gonna cover this for about 1 minute again, so that everything can come together so good. And guys, we're done. So right now I'm going in to dish out the meal, starting with the rice. Okay, and then dish the other one out right on top of your rice. And guys, that's it basically. We are done making this yummy goodness. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to give this a thumbs up. Do not forget to share my videos, and until I come your way next time with another yummy recipe, take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye.